Okay, so determine the equation of the asymptote of the function y equals log of x minus 1 plus 2. So again, remember that the log and the exponential are inverses of each other. So if I have the exponential, it looks like this. Right? And then, so this one has a horizontal asymptote, right? The log has a vertical asymptote, right? We talked about how exponentials have horizontal, logs have vertical. So vertical is always going to be x equals, so that means you can get rid of b, e, and f. So it's either a, c, or d. All right. Now, for exponentials, it's the outside, the vertical shift because of its a horizontal asymptote. For logs, it's the horizontal shift that tells you where the asymptote is. Okay, so here, if I move this blue one up 2, that's not going to change the asymptote, right? But if I move it to the right one, that's where it starts to change the asymptote. Does that make sense? So the red's not what matters. So I'm going to graph the log. So my starting was this one with a vertical asymptote. If I move it up 2, it's really just, this is going to come like that. So it's not going to be that big of a difference for the vertical asymptote. But then when I move it to the right, 1 unit, right? If I move this and this, it's going to be over here. And now my asymptote got moved over 1 unit to the right. So now it's going to be at x equals 1. So remember, whatever's on the inside, it's the opposite. That one's -1, so the opposite would be +1. Does that make sense?